Hello, I'm Robert Lunte from CourseCREEK. We are a boutique agency that specializes in anything and everything regarding e-learning. This composition is titled, How Do I Keep My Students Motivated Throughout the Course? Well, that's really an instructional design question, meaning how the instruction or the course itself is designed from a user experience perspective. Our agency has professional instructional designers that will provide access and content development for specialized tools that make a course engaging. So instructional designers can work with specialized authoring tools to make an online course gamified and to make a course sort of like a pop-up book for adults where you can drag and drop things, and there's talking bots and all kinds of really neat, cool factor stuff that you can put inside a course to keep it engaging. Another thing that I might recommend is tie a community into your course as well, so that your students can banter and ask questions and learn from each other. Hopefully that's helpful for you, and there's more to come if you want to contact me. Thank you.